Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0067 code running rough or losing power? Ignoring this issue could lead to poor fuel economy and sluggish performance. In this video we'll cover what P0067 means, the exact sensor location, this is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. If your engine isn't running smoothly, this could be the reason. Let's get started. What does P0067 mean? The P0067 code stands for Air Assisted Injector Control Valve Circuit High. This means the air assist injector control valve is sending too much voltage or airflow, which disrupts the fuel-air mixture. As a result, your engine may run too rich or too lean, leading to bad performance and high emissions. Symptoms of P0067. Check engine light on, rough idling or engine hesitation, poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and loss of power under acceleration. Common causes of P0067, a faulty air assist injector control valve. If the valve is stuck open, excessive air enters the system. Shorted wiring or bad connections, damaged or corroded wires in the control circuit can trigger this code. Carbon buildup in air injection ports, restricting proper airflow. And lastly, an ECU malfunction, sending incorrect signals to the valve. Where is the air assist injector control valve located for P0067? Well, the air assist injector control valve is typically mounted on the intake manifold near the fuel injectors. It's connected to the engine's vacuum system. The wiring harness runs from the ECU, or engine control unit, to the air assist injector control valve. You should look for broken, loose, or corroded connectors. Now, as for the vacuum line connections, they are usually near the throttle body or intake manifold. Any cracks or leaks in these lines can cause the issue. Here's an important tip. Always check your vehicle's repair manual for the exact location in your specific model. First, check the air assist injector control valve. Use a multimeter to check the voltage levels. If the valve is faulty, you'll need to replace it. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any burnt, frayed, or loose wires. If you find any damaged wiring, repair or replace it. Finally, test for vacuum leaks. Spray soapy water around the vacuum lines while the engine is running. If you see bubbles appear, there's a leak that needs fixing. Clean the air injection ports. If they are clogged, use carb cleaner or a small brush to remove the carbon buildup. 5. Reset the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the P0067 code and take the car for a test drive. That's everything you need to know about P0067, Air Assisted Injector Control Valve Circuit High. If you're dealing with this issue, start by checking the valve, wiring, vacuum lines, and air injection ports. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0204 Injector Circuit Malfunction Cylinder 4. 2. P0235 Turbocharger Boost Sensor, a circuit malfunction. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.